Shalom. Thanks so much for joining the Whole Heart Torah Fundamentals, our third video in the series about the Shema. So we spoke about the unity of Hashem. The Shema declares that, and that not only are we all part of it, since not everything is part of that unity, we're part of that unity, and we're like a manifestation of Hashem having a human experience. And so another implication, I think I first read this in one of David Mamet's book, about that basically Hashem, since there's a oneness, there's only one ultimate authority, and it's not like an old man in the sky or something like that. It's just based on the nature of reality. Since there's a unity that we're all part of, then there's many things that flow from that, right? And if you're going with this and that we're all part of this unity, then many of the Torah's laws don't seem arbitrary at all, but just logical consequences, like ve'ahavta kamocha, which we'll address, love your neighbor as yourself, in another video in our fundamental series. Like, if I am part of the unity and you're part of the unity, if I hurt you, I'm just like hurting ultimately part of myself. So it's like my left hand hurting my right hand. So we're all, now under one, we're all connected, and then there's this ultimate authority that actually can be freeing, as Rabbi Heschel taught. Like, since we have one, speaking out for one of his teachings, if we have one Father, then we have a brotherhood, because there's like one ultimate authority which we're all beholden to, and that can free us to have like optimal relationship, optimal flourishing. Hey, thank you so much, and stay tuned for our next part in the series about Kedusha, Kadosh, holiness.